In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create feedback surveys in Odoo. We'll start from the Odoo dashboard and head into the Surveys app. This is where you can build surveys for customer feedback, internal reviews, training, or any situation where you need structured responses. Once you're inside the app, click New to open a blank survey form and begin building from scratch. The first thing to fill in is the survey title. Choose a clear name that tells participants exactly what the survey is about. You'll also assign a responsible person, which helps keep ownership of the survey organized, especially if multiple people manage forms in your Odoo environment. Next, choose the survey style using the available radio button options. You can select survey for general feedback, assessment if you're creating something more like a quiz or certification, live session for real-time participation, or custom if you need a more tailored setup. For feedback collection, the general survey option is usually the most appropriate, but the best choice depends on your use case. After that, move into the Questions tab and click Add a line to create your first question. This is where the survey starts to take shape. As you add each question, select the question type that best fits the kind of answer you want to collect. For example, some questions may work best as multiple choice, while others may need open text responses. If your survey includes several topics, you can also click Add a section to group related questions together. This makes the survey easier to follow and gives it a cleaner structure, which can improve completion rates because participants are less likely to feel overwhelmed. For any question that should not be skipped, turn on mandatory answer. This is useful for collecting essential information, but use it carefully. If too many questions are required, the survey can feel restrictive, so it's best to reserve this setting for the most important items. To make the experience more personalized, you can add conditional displays. This allows follow-up questions to appear only when a participant selects a specific answer. It's a helpful way to keep the survey relevant and avoid showing unnecessary questions to everyone. Once your questions are ready, go to the Options tab to refine how users will interact with the survey. This area lets you adjust the overall behavior and presentation, so it's worth reviewing carefully before you send anything out. Finally, test the survey and then share it. Testing helps you catch unclear wording, missing logic, or formatting issues before participants see it. Once everything looks good, your feedback survey is ready to use in Odoo.